Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing a quick weave using the Organique Mastermix. One pack does it all. It comes with 3 bundles and a 4x4 closure, which is pretty good quality for an affordable price. This is what my wig caps are looking like in my braid pattern underneath. This is what the closure looks like right out of the pack. I just wanted to show it to you guys. It's actually pretty good quality. These are my bundles. I got them in 14, 16, and 18 inches, and this is how thick they are. So I like to start off by measuring each track. I usually do it from like temple to temple, and I measure first, and then I will cut the track and apply the glue. I like to lay mine down on the table, and I'm going to use the 30-second Salon Pro hair glue. Then I just glue it down to my head, and I keep repeating those steps until I get a little bit closer to where I'm going to put the closure. I usually like to spray spritz on my wig cap and then apply the track with the glue on it, or spray the spritz on the track directly with the glue on it, but I didn't have any spritz for this video, so I just blow dry it until it's dry, and it still holds pretty well. So now I'm going to cut the black part of the cap to reveal the brown cap underneath. I like to do it this way because when I put the closure on, it makes it look a little bit more natural, especially since I have tried to put makeup on this type of closure before and it didn't really show. So this is an easier method for me. And this time I didn't use any makeup on the brown wig cap. It was actually a good color, so I didn't have to do that step. But if you feel like it's not the right color, of course you can apply a foundation shade or a contour shade that matches your skin tone. Once everything is cut off, I go in with some Got To Be just to melt the edges of the wig cap down to my skin. Here I'm just showing you what the closure looks like up against my skin before I go ahead and glue it down. I'm going to go in first with a layer of Ghost Bond right in front of that brown wig cap and kind of spread it out with the end of my comb until it's a thin layer. I did 2 layers of Ghost Bond in total, and when that was tacky, I went ahead and put the closure down. I stuck the closure in place, and then I tied it down with my elastic band to hold it. I like to glue the lace on first before I glue on the closure because it just makes it a little bit easier for me with the closure being held in place already. When I add the glue, it lays flatter. Once I've added all the glue on the perimeter of the closure, I like to just pull it straight back and lay it against my wig cap and then blow dry into place until it is stuck down. Once the closure is all stuck down, I like to continue putting on my tracks, and I angle them as I glue them on just so that they can lay in a way where they cover the tracks below and everything is seamless and hidden. Once I'm finished gluing on the tracks, I take off my elastic band and get started on the closure. This is what it looks like up close. After I've parted my hair, I'll go in with some mousse. It's the ORS olive oil mousse, and I just put that on the baby hairs that were already pre-cut in the closure, just to put those back and out of the way before I go in and cut off the lace. I usually use an eyebrow razor to cut off my lace. It just cuts the lace a little bit more jagged so that it's not just a harsh line that's very noticeable. Then I go in with the Got To Be High Hold hairspray and spray that on any areas of my closure that were not completely glued down before. After that, I went ahead and straightened one side of my hair just so that I can show you guys what the hair looks like straightened and what it looks like in the body wave texture. It can take up to 400 degrees in heat. Because it can only take up to 400 degrees, I could not use my hot comb on this hair, so I'm going to show you how I got it sleek and flat on the other side. Once I got closer to the top, I would part the hair in smaller sections and use my wax stick. It's just like an $8 wax stick, no specific name brand, and I would just flat iron the roots very well and then just go down the length of the hair, and that's how I got it flat on the top without using my hot comb. Once everything is all flat ironed, I went ahead and took off my scarf, and I had already did my baby hairs off camera. They were a little tricky for me to do this time around, so I didn't show them, but I will make a separate tutorial on how I do my baby hairs, and this is what everything looks like up close. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please leave any comments or suggestions down below. Thank you so much for watching.